Like tangible goods, services are often defined by customers' experience, staff interaction, and intangible features. Think of KPJ Healthcare in Malaysia using AI to plan surgery, or Disneyland tailor rides based on a visitor behavior. This complexity makes services design more than just features. It is about orchestrating every touch point to meet customers' expectation. To make services efficient, we limit customization early and automate routine tasks. Grab drivers, for example, customers greeting are a good examples where documentation like Shopee's host script ensure consistent in delivery, even in high interaction services. This strategy helps streamline delivery while enhancing customer satisfaction. Grab Malaysia or Starbucks have excelled in service design. Grab use AI-driven apps option to speed up the delivery, while Starbucks automates order while maintain the personal touch. Both shows how smart design boosts efficiency and customer satisfaction.